hiring CIM to do the marketing has taken it off my plate. I can focus on what's important to me, and that's the policies and procedures, the systems that I need to implement with growth. So sitting up all night doing marketing, working on keywords, designing ads, and figuring out and learning new crafts with internet marketing, that's not my bag. You shit on the floor, that's where I really shine. I can clean that up. Carpet cleaning is what I know. Internet marketing is not part of my forte. So by giving it to CIM and me not having to worry about it, and you guys being so transparent and giving me reports and letting me know what's working and this is the direction that we should go, that helps me keep involved and up to date on what's happening with you guys, but I can see those real results in my business, and so I can focus on refresh.